Alright, here's my 5-year-old first generation Harbor Freight 44-inch toolbox. First drawer. Got my triple squares, hex, just whatever there. Got some universals there. Some bolt outs through here and here. 28 to 36. Spark plug sockets. Ball end hex. Metric and SAE half-inch drive. Impacts. Some other impacts. Oil filter sockets. Torques. Tamper-proof Torques and external Torques sockets. Impact sockets, metric, shallow and deep. Swivel sockets, metric hex, SAE hex. 10 to 22 deep and shallow half-inch drive, 27. 8 to 22 deep on the 3/8. They're 21 and 22 over here. And 6 to 22 on the shallow. 1/4 inch metric, SAE, SAE, SAE. Whoops. Wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, line wrenches, extra long 8mm, 5.5mm, super thin wrenches. Yeah, there is a place for them. 6 to 21. Yeah, 21. Extra long and more regular wrenches. Crow fit wrenches, offset wrench. That's all metric. All SAE, offsets, ratcheting, battery wrench. Some old stuff that I found over the years. And I got from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. The others are over on my workbench. It's just hammers, chisels, different stuff. Test leads for the multimeter, feeler gauges, flashlight, temp gun, steering wheel puller, tape measure, Allen keys, X-Acto knife, box of stuff. It's full. Brake tools, nail set, just a bunch of whatever, tire, tread depth gauge. Pliers, oil pliers, strap wrenches, flush cuts, line clamps, fuel lines, some hose pliers, bunch of my dog's going crazy background, a bunch of vice grips underneath all of that. Tire stuff, tap and die set, stethoscope, pry bars, long screwdrivers. You know what it is. Air tools. Battery charger for I can't remember what. Speed wrenches and extra long extensions. Screwdrivers. Self-explanatory. A bunch of mini stuff. Pocket screwdrivers. Smaller screwdrivers. Picks. Ratchets, extensions, breaker bars, 1/2 inch, 3/8, quarter. Oh no. Torque stick. Not sure why that's there. Stuff drawer, glasses, scissors, magnet. Keys, brushes, files, more files, scrapers, stuff, all drill bits, wire brushes, battery terminal cleaner, hole saw kit. And soldering and impact sockets, drill bits, bit set, impact driver, and electrical in that one. So there you have it. There's 5-year-old toolbox still going like brand new. I desperately need more room. Even that thing is filled up. That's probably 15 years old by itself. And that's filled up. And I'm working on that. And I got all that. So, yeah, there you go. All to work on one of these. World famous Scarlet. Thanks, bye.